Do you know the more content or notes you try to capture during a lecture, the less you are thinking about what's being said. You burn through most of your attention parroting the source. So guys, let's understand now the arts of taking great notes. So the arts of taking great notes means taking notes is not just writing down what you heard or read for later consumption. It's how ideas plant themselves in your head and become part of your memory banks. The proper usage of notes allow ideas to plant themselves in your head and become concrete parts of your memory banks. So always remember, notes are where your learning should always be. When you consume information with intent to learn, creating your own set of notes to review later is the first step that allow you to synthesize information in any meaning sort of way. So let's now understand in more detail the art of taking great notes. You know there are 4 main stages of taking effective and great notes. Our first stage is note taking, second is note editing, third is note analyze, and fourth is note reflection. So let's understand now our first stage is note taking. The first stage, note taking, is where you are just trying to capture all of the big concepts and details. The next and second stage is note editing. In this stage, you go back over your initial set of notes and thoroughly edit what you have written. Go over everything and write it all out again. This helps comprehension and to find blind spot of knowledge. Due to this, you make your notes easy to understand and read. Our third stage is note analyze. In this stage, you actively summarize each section, try to boil everything down to as short a snippet as possible. Our fourth stage is note reflection. This usually involves discussion of your notes with other people to make sure that everything you understand is correct and to create a further level of understanding by open discussion and group analysis. Because 2 heads are better than 1 and 2 perspectives are better than 1. So hope guys you understand the art of taking great notes. If you have any doubt, please comment below. And if you like this video, then subscribe to this channel and share this video with everyone. Goodbye, take care, and best wishes from us for your successful future.